Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee bat kinong kershan jangka kilaong bakin dia kun bet ban persya ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arhaja apun rio balawan ra da ka sarkar pedeng hapo ka jingalam jangka BJP lakalong bakin hapmi surok ban ya kun ha ka yeng bishar lia ban ya kun hapo yeng darbar thawan jangkari Yakani Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ulakaran hadian baladap ke jingyat batba kapajai-jai jang keseng kabala sedang namadan Fire Brigade Shadow dan Bosco Square lain kera hagas nginingkong. Uba Pala ulaong ru baka FCRA kadai ke jing temu jang ke BJP ban lute ya ke jing dan jing M jang ki kin hunyam ki balang bat kumju ru jang ki seng balang ki bayo ki jing kershan pisana syabari ban le ya ki kam isen a ki kam syakri ya ki dok ki rangli ki kun sweat bat ki wei ulaong bahapo ka clause ka bakhat rew ka sarkar NDA hapo ka jingyalam ke BJP kan sakani lut ya baro ki jing dan jing M lada omla ban pendap ya ki kin don ba kalabu hakajuk kapor upa Vincent ulayat huru ba ka jing bomla bandan lang kinong ya lambalang ha ka jing ya rally kadai ba ki sha berngem ha ka BJP Halo ke sarkar MDA hapo ke jingalam ke NPP ha ke jela uba Pala ulaong ba ke MDA kan omla ban le EA namar ki dan lang bat ke BJP bat keno ru ba ke NPP kadai hiru ke BJP Ulayat ho baka Kongres kan penlong yakini kijingyat rally Shaman Laki District parwat habaro kawai kari India. Habakali syaphangi jingduna ki bawan shimbenta u Presiden ke MPCC ulaong balakhat tang yakinong yalam baha khamat keseng ban shimbenta Henry ki wei ki wanda kaman snobha. Habakran syaphangi jingyat rally ka Voice of the People's Party uba Pala ulaong ba ka jingyat ba jangki dei syaphanga san perthai persya ka sarkar MDA kat ba ka rally ka Kongres kadaya baro salunsar khamtam ki ritpat bat ki dok kisuk bat nakalyang ka Kongres kan yai dan bet bat ki basha ban ben ki samla ba mat jingkerdu kam bat khamtam ban yakun ya ka jinghyar ka yo ka kwat bat ka jing stang ka jingkerdu hapo ka jing sensyar ka BJP
Ida wengi layo ki mailut namar balai kam kasni utam kane ka pil ladang iton ke yingmani ki ba yo jingerap na keyboard banabar na Amerika na Germany lani nang no lani ladon ki school ki biting Arab lani ladon ki hospital ki biyo ting Arab lani ladon ki NGO ki biyo ting Arab ai kam ai jam batun bahai ki school lani ki no ki jing bang Arab ki baduk ki concept bat ki biyo pisana bar jam kiri India kani ki si no bakwa ki bisa banabar habdon kini ka license Kani ka license barabor kaya rap ya kibru kebadan hakaleng jong kerindia. Palat santo hajar tadi license kumanchwa. Ndai namta ne santo tadi license laksakan sal namta klosa stang katsau hajar tadi. La kumno kini ki katsau hajar tadi. Ar hajar lais pak khalai kini tang hamia notice. Na kini kebadan ar hajar lais pak khalai. Menta hangnia mekalia stang nyoko kibadang trikam. Balai haden bawan kini ke BJP kala penting yang no kena kepada FCRA. Kaya ini kapsi kata pengihap protes kolong kumni. Baladang isna kawai ke jingmane kawai sikror. Iyo FCRA, iyo pandabar tang sekolah kin ataj lene kin simi jingmane jimi. Ladang ima berkundiang di jalan kam. Lene ki school, lene ki hospital, lene ki no ki cakap apa jing hikai. Ya ki bedok ki pa matla leni ki ba amna kane kade ko weni ki fam ki bayarap andrai lomba ka jing pas leni lomba ka jing pengkre jong ka BJP kane ka bil kini baro ki don ha ka jing ma kila introduce ka wei ka clause ka ba lada ngila pan pendiang ki kot islam leni lada ka cha cancel ka FCRA license songi ki kinsim no ya kini ki property bagi yo lomba FCRA leni lada ngila pan renew lani ladang isranda lani ini lawan yang kano kinsim kala set up kawai authority kemansim kani kajingma kabamot ladang renew ladakin accept renewal jemi kata mut ihap tiang property jingin sashin kata iki badok orang ki school menta ki school nyam ki school snong ki school papnya di NGOs ki babar iyo bisa ke building ki iyo bisa andre ni isi utang kabai utang kepada tuition learning isi utang kepada admission kata-kata kita complete school kita congi ladai kita sengai ikini ke FCRA tak kamut kecing tangi kalong ba ni pihak siu kan rem kepada school ladai le hospital kebon hospital ni pilai kiyo kijing kiyo machine kibarem lomba ke FCRA Andre menta ladai kita sengai ikini ke treatment hospital kan rem kibon kiba yarap iki pematla kibarap kibadon sikina department keleng lada apa sih kini borok kibon kiban kang 13th. So the BJP will try to do it by force either today, tomorrow or the after tomorrow. The intention of our organizing this rally is because it will affect after the independence. This is the first attack on the churches, on the school institutions, the NGOs, and so many others who used to fund from the money from our friends all over the world. Therefore, this time we are not against the government of India. We are not against Indian like what they say, but we are here to work together. India will be strong if the people of India, if the minorities, if the church, the NGOs, all working together, then only India will be strong. By crushing the sentiments of the minorities, by crushing the Christians, by crushing the Hindus, the Sikhs, that will not help India. The present government under the leadership of Modi and Amit Shah, they are bringing a bill, FCRA. The bill is one of the most dangerous bills in history, like I said. What is in this bill the most dangerous is the paragraph 16A. This is a bill where if you cannot renew the FCRA or if they cancel your FCRA or if you surrender the FCRA, they will take your property. So what is FCRA? FCRA is a law which has been there for decades. But so far the law, the intention of the law is to protect the Indian people as well as against the people who want to misuse it. So we have no problem of FCRA so far, as long as it's used for the right purpose. But today, you have seen they will set up the authority. This authority, if your church is funded even a small percentage, or if the school is funded by a small percentage, or if any of property is funded by a small percentage, the whole of the property will be attached. Limanin nga doon committee ba niro nga isu kabib po parliament in persa hangya surok in persa parliament ladon kam ni persa hakot na kamta gerit fight datang ke kongres kapa liada kapa yarap kapa persang kan wala la kita gerit fight. Congress is the only party who stands with the people, be it in parliament, be it in the street, be it in the court, wherever it go, we'll try to help to protect the people. Nakuha abang ba ni Congress nimdon FCRA re.
Jam na kaliang kongres kebakan sesim.
Kani karali kam ko Shillong, apo ari boy kin sale kan atrik, namar ka bill kin introduce mental shale ni siski. Dari boy ro kin sayat ka jo garali nang ta hanong stone ni sale, bat borok ka way ka mekhalyang ile, borok ka way kin dia keleng. Kani ka de ka peace protest ni klam organize ki bru ni ko ki bawan namar ba bale ba ni syam ba ki bru ki sim menta kanang kani kom ka awareness ba ki bru ba ki de ban satu ba ke ching bakin ban hatin ni ba dong ilam balang ni klam khot namar ba ki bodon FCRA ki sa perngem ba ta ko ju ko por ngim kwa ba maki kin safar kin sa haras teh ka ju ko menta pila iu intelligence popon tinong ilam klemen wol tinong ilam balang ni kron wol ki bodon FCRA naman ni wol tang de ka party ni ready ban face kono itu ngim kwa bikin safar tragedi sa perngem 4 kilo sel thoi namar ba pila iu BJP tang da yo alat kribit lot da yo alat te ngim kwa ban involve ki klemen wol ki niam